Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the hardware and system so pairing will succeed. Plug the Bluetooth dongle into a primary USB port. Many adapters need direct power, so avoid hubs. Once inserted, wait for any driver pop-up. If none appears, open your OS Bluetooth settings and enable the adapter manually so the system recognizes the radio. This step makes sure the device is present and powered. After that, you can install drivers or proceed to discovery and pairing without guessing at the cause of failures. Once the dongle is recognized, install the correct driver to ensure full functionality. Manufacturers provide drivers for advanced profiles, while OS generic drivers cover basic audio and HID. After drivers are in place, switch your target device into pairing mode, look for a blinking LED or pairing prompt. Then, in Bluetooth settings, run a scan or choose Add Device. Select the device name, accept or enter a PIN when prompted, and confirm the connection so profiles like audio or input start negotiating. You finish by configuring connected devices. Set the dongle as the default audio or input device in system panels, and tweak profile settings like codec selection for best quality. Make sure to update firmware and drivers, then reboot to commit changes because many stack issues clear on restart. If pairing fails, remove the device entry, restart the Bluetooth service or the host, and retry pairing. This resets state and often fixes discovery or authentication problems quickly, preventing repeated manual troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.